All right, I got another bad cop no donut for you. Officer arrested after filing false police report, Sacramento PD says. This is coming from KCRA3 Act. Let's get into this piece here because I've heard a lot about this.
Story tonight, a Sacramento police officer facing felony charges accused of filing a false police report.
And tonight we're hearing from Sacramento Police Chief Daniel Hahn and the Sacramento County District Attorney.
KCRA3's Golston Dart has been working this story from home, and he joins us live now with what he's learned tonight. Golston?
Yeah, guys, word came down late this afternoon, and I spoke with the chief earlier today. The department says that the incident happened in July last year, and their investigation into an officer accused of filing false reports led to criminal charges and the arrest of 26-year-old Alexa Palabicki. Now,
Let's go ahead and say this. This is something that's been observed for at least almost a better part of a year. This is coming from June of last year. And so basically, she's been filing some false reports. What she's accused of, I have some other questions about. But let's go ahead and continue here.
Also, as a result of this investigation, currently other officers are on leave.
There are additional officers that are involved in some form or fashion in the administrative review. There are additional officers on administrative leave, but nobody else has been charged with a crime.
Wow.
Palabicki facing 2 felony charges in this investigation. Police say that the officer was placed on leave while the department interviewed employees, reviewed body-worn camera video, and collected evidence. The case has now been handed over to the Sacramento County District Attorney's Office, and they say any cases in which her participation was necessary for a prosecution have been dismissed.
Do you see the cost of having one lie, right?
And the police chief, Daniel Hahn, reacting to Palabicki's alleged actions and those cases.
I think that people have the right to get to the bottom of it, which is what we did with the additional investigations. And the district attorney, we believe, will do exactly what they're supposed to do. And if anybody suffered repercussions from what she did, they should be held accountable.
The district attorney, Anne Marie Schubert, sent out a statement saying, in part, anytime a police officer falsifies a police report, it is an affront to justice and it's taken very seriously. The statement goes on to say, quote, "We are in the process of reviewing past cases in which Palabicki was involved and that have already resulted in a conviction to determine the appropriate remedy."
You realize there's going to be a lot of people who's going to get sued over this, right? You realize there's going to be a lot of people who's going to get sued over this, right? Because this woman, now that we know that she falsifies reports, that means that people could have been in prison for years and years and years.